Hello guys, today we are going to play um Master Difficulty Trophy. I know I said I would do the last video in a couple hours. I would say that what was I gonna say again? I forgot, but I was gonna say something. Okay, let's say it's a first person obby. Okay, what is this? I don't think I can do this in first person. Jump, so I just jump. Jump. Oh wow. Oh wow, what is this? I beat it. Did I? Wait. No. What? Okay. No way I have to do a wall hop in first person. I can't do that. I can't do a wall. I'm gonna be stuck on this stage forever on wall hop. So, I guess I have to jump and just go. Hold on, wait. Do I just like I guess I have to. How do I do a wall hop in first person? That's not even possible. I think it is. Wait, what? Come on. Yay, I did it. Okay, one of these again. Oh, I think you have to do it, but it's only in okay, hold on. You have to you okay, never mind. Oh wow. Okay. Oh man. Yeah, dude, I think I have to do the stage in third per third person, right? No. Dang it, that's not even possible. What? That's not even possible. Hold on. What? Maybe if I don't do it in shift lock, it'll be much easier. Probably not. So I have to do. Oh my goodness. What? I wish I had the gravity coil. But how many Robux is this? 249 Robux. No! Insane. This is literally so difficult. I can't. Not possible. I think this stage is only impossible for first person. What? How did I die? Ew. Huh? Huh? Okay. What? I always thought that looks so easy. I think it is easy. What? How am I not making that stage? Not possible. Come on, can I skip the stage? No. I don't have enough Robux because I spent it on the last video. Oh! Oh! Dang it! Oh, I want to make that. That's not fair. I think I know how to do this now. You just gotta believe in yourself. Dang it, I almost made it. Is this gonna be another hour of video? I think so. Maybe. Oh. I wonder what that's gonna be at the end of the obby. Like, what? Am, what? Am I insane and I can't even do this stage? The first stage? What? Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. No. This is so. I keep hitting the thing, the wall. No, this sucks. Dang it! I definitely did not forget this challenge is all about first person. What? How? How did I lose? I wanted to skip the stage, but I don't have any more Robux. Oh! Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes. Wait, then how do I make it up? Just jump? No. What? I have no. No way. How am I supposed to? How am I supposed to like? Hmm. It's gotta be a way out. Maybe I go all the way over here. No, that's not possible. I don't think. Hmm? What? Huh? No, I'm about to do. You see 40% if you choose to reset your progress. No, I would definitely not. Are you serious? I just gotta skip this stage, I think. Because what? I'll, okay, let's see how this bacon does it. Yeah, he's trying to wall hop. But he can't. Wait, hold on, let me try. I can't even wall hop. Look. Is this even possible? Is that even a possible job? Nah. Maybe if. Oh, there's like a ladder. Was that a ladder? I don't know. Yo, that's a ladder. How? How the heck are you even supposed to make that ladder? Dang it! This is impossible. Impossibility. Mm. Mm. Okay, go. Go. No. Are you serious? You know what? You know what? Instead, I'm going to be playing Nightmare. Hopefully this game doesn't give me a nightmare. Nightmares. Okay. If you haven't heard of nightmares is a freaking crap game. Okay, open Roblox. Yeah. If you haven't noticed, that's the name of my playlist. I'm gonna put in it. Nightmares beta. Okay. break open vases and crates for extra tokens. What's a token? Oh, like what? What's a token? Skip for negative 5. What? Oh, I have 0 tokens. So I gotta get tokens by opening crates. Oh wow, you can't even see how many question mark. Okay, I have to organize all these books. You work on these books all day. Then then why do you make me do it? What? I no, I do not. Okay, then why am I here? Are you crazy? Exclamation point, question mark. Well, I guess I am if you say so. Okay, nice. Let's see. Let. Do you think I'm confused? Nope. I know exactly who you are. Well, I don't know who you are. I found that hard to believe. What? Oh, this is the part where I tell you to comfort you. Tell you is everything okay? I don't get it. We will all have to wake up someday. Okay. One. Oh, what is this? Survive a night. What? Nightmares Survivors Brandon ASB 2017. I didn't even read it! Interact. Have a seat. Why am I sitting on top of a clock? Just watch this. Boop and boop and boop and boop and boop and boop and boop. Haha, yeah. Skip for negative 5 tokens? No! Wait. Wait. Look behind you, run. What's behind me? What's behind me? I don't see anything behind me. What? You're just trolling. Oh, a cannonball! A cannonball! I'm too slow, I'm so slow. Oh, yes. No, no! No! I'm not fast enough. Oh, wait. Am I dead? No, wait, I'm a ghost. No, stop! Wait, I can still collect, coins and stuff. Hurry up. Hey, did I get coins? Give me all the coins that you have, Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh, yes, back. Hurry! It took so slow to open these bags. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow, this is insanity. Whoa. Ooh, what's this? Oh, what? No, the only alive person is this girl? Oh. Click! Oh, wait, what's this? Wait, why am I still go? Oh my gosh! You died. Wait, Cadence slash Flowers. Oh, that was the only one to make it. Huh? Ha, that's the only one who made it. What? Are you serious? This tree is amazing, by the way, if you haven't noticed. Oh, oh my gosh, that's such a beautiful the picture of a scary clown. I want to date you right now. Mwah. Oh, Sonic.exe! Sonic.exe, serious? 99. Oh my god! It's Sonic.exe! Don't run! Run! No, go run! Oh, he's going fast. Wait, how do I? Oh, wait, what? Oh, run! Can I go? I'm trying as fast as I can. Haha, you can't get me, Sonic. You're too slow. Oh wait, where are you? Oh no, he going fast. Is there any coins here? Is there any? Is there any? So, is there any rings around here? I want the rings. Are you serious? No rings. But I found the daisies. I thought there were gonna be like rings in here, like the yellow rings from Sonic the Hedgehog, or maybe Chaos Emeralds. What are that? Sonic.exe is gonna hack our computer for. Oh my god, he going fast now. Oh, now he's not going fast. I wonder if Sonic.exe is actually friendly. Why is he going fast? Did I survive? Did I survive? Wait, did I survive? I survived! Let's go! Oh, where's my name? I survived! Oh! Woo! Have a seat. That's actually kind of dangerous. Don't try this at home. Oh, I'm gonna see you with this girl. We have the exact same shirt. I actually kind of realized. We all have the same exact shirt, though. Nice. We stop looking at me. Snake idol. What's that? What? What? I can type it in. That's weird. Okay. Oh, what? It's snake idol. What is that? It's a snake idol. Oh, it's a rock. It's a rock. I go to. You can always. Queen Snake. Queen Snake. Is that you? Like a queen bee? Oh, how do I run? How do I run? Oh, run! Okay, run, 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 run. Climb up this ladder. Okay, nice, nice. Hey! Oh, go here, go here, go here. Is he following us? I think he is. Hopefully I don't fall. He's gonna go so fast. Oh no, I'm stuck. Hold on. Yes, okay, give me that. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hate these. Oh my gosh, these suck. These traps suck. Dude, I think you're going a little too far with this. Okay, stop. Okay, good, good. No, why none of this again? You're gonna make the smoke detector go on. Ugh. Oh my gosh, why this again? Ugh. Okay, hi, hi, hi. I made it to your lair. I made it to your lair. I can't. You can believe me? What? What are you saying? Okay, go, 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 hurry. Okay, yes. Uh, yeah. Get down to the portal now. Oh, is this a portal? I think it is. It says don't do. Oh, that was a bad idea. That was a really bad idea. I think that was a bad idea. That was a terrible idea, though. That was actually okay. Yeah, that was actually a terrible idea. I thought that was a portal. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. I thought that was a portal. It says don't do it, but I did it anyway because why do I look like I was getting hurt when you died? Yes, I know I died. Ugh. And I'm only 7 years old, so I can't actually talk about that. Uh, click, click. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, this girl named ASB 2017 is uh has the same shirt as me. Even this girl has the same shirt as me. Wait, does everyone have the same shirt as me? Poppy playtime, Huggy Wuggy. Oh, I love skip. Wait, do I have to skip? Oh, wait, it's Huggy Wuggy. Why do we have to be afraid of him? Oh, huh. This is awkward. Just staring at him. Okay, nice. Do you have to run? Why do I have to run? He's actually very, 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 very. There's a bunch of coins here. Oh, what's this? What's this? Can I oh, I can interact. Hurry, don't. Okay, nice. That coin. Time is flying. What? Wait, what? No, wait. No, wait. What is that? Hurry up, hurry up. Oh, I broke it already. I broke it. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Why is he so short? Okay, he's coming this way. Hurry. Tap, tap, tap. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. He's gonna chase after me. What? Where is he? He's not near me. He's not near me. Yet. Maybe he's near me. But I don't know where he is. What? Click. I need the teamwork. Did I make it? Did I do it? Did I do it? Did I? I did it! Oh my gosh! I did it! I did! I did! I did! I did! I did! I did it! Ooh! Oh, he died in the lobby. Wait, he's actually everybody's. What? What? Everyone the same clothes? Is black just a cool color? What? Why is everyone? Why is everyone black? Even this boy's black has pajamas. Why is he doing the this face? I just typed in. Okay. Angry SpongeBob. How angry? Okay, it's Gary SpongeBob. Gary, you're going to finish your dessert and you are going to like it. Oh, it's SpongeBob Buff. Oh yeah. Oh, I think Gary's saying that. Oh, no. What is that? Jellyfishes? What? Uh, 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 I can't touch the jellyfishes. Oh, ow! Did I get hurt? I don't think I did. Haha. Oh, that just lets me some help. I got hit by it again. Can't get hit by it. And go back. Come on, come. Oh my God! What? Where was Angry SpongeBob at? Or should I say Buff SpongeBob? Oh yeah, you get buff. You got buff in like 1 second. Yeah. At my head, my body parts are all the way over here. I'm gonna do a little bit more of time. Rosa, who are you? You died, I know. Rosa, why are we here? Don't make it. You make a mess. Rosa, why are we here? Sarah totally killed the cat. Go back to your room. Why are you so mean? Why are you not in bed? Okay. Fine. Good. Now carry on now. Well, if I don't, I'll just keep on answering her. Don't you make a mess, Rosa, why are you here? Sarah told me to kill the cat. Go back to your room. No, I need answers. You make demands now. That's brave of you. Please, I just need to know the truth. A better question would be, what isn't the truth? What do you mean? Look around you. Me and the Nether boss. You mean like the piglins? From the Nether. What is this? Oh, that's not a piglet. That's a monster. I spook. You listen now to the surf. Okay, shoot. Oh, what? He has 10,000 health. What? He has 10. Oh my gosh, no! He killed me immediately. What? Are you kidding me? Do I still have the gun? No, I do not. At least I still have this. Why are you crying? Does everyone have that face? Hold on, let me see if everyone has that face. Do I still collect coins? Wait, does everyone have that face? No, maybe she just bought that face. Is that Bones? Oh my gosh! What? I didn't expect you to move around. What? He is like so fast. Oh my gosh, I should have ran. Maybe I should have ran. Maybe. Oh my god! Wait, is this that spinner? Okay. Oh, what? It's a human! And he's locked up! How dare you? Oh, 7. Oh, I died. Great. How did he have so? You did. He didn't even die yet. He had so much. He had like 10,000 health. What? He had like 10,000 health. That's a lot of health. 10,000, like what? 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why does this game make me so sleepy? Oh, this is my bedroom. Okay. Toxic escape? What? Well, I can expect it. I smell dad. Oh, what? Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this? Interact. Safe. Flood alert. Who did that? Hey, who did that? Can I just wait? Flood is going run. What? But what if I don't run? What if I don't run? Oh yes. Okay. Oh, toxic escape. What? Oh, I hate this one. You have to like run from the toxic. I can't hit that. Go. Oh, I almost fell. Okay. Just gotta focus. I think I'm gonna make it. Huh? Oh, what? What's going on? Oh, okay. Just this reminds me of the game like Toxic Escape, and this actually reminds me of the game Flood Escape, like where there's like water and I die. It's nice. I'm gonna play that game right this instant. A Flood Escape. Sorry. Alrighty, Flood Escape. Okay, Flood Escape Classic. Yeah, super classic. That is super perfect for you. Flood Escape. Welcome to Flood Escape. Head through the multiplayer to start playing. Wins will save, but points will not. Check the channel. No, okay, let's play. Why do I look like? Can I run? Can I run? Go. Oh! Woo! Okay, what's this? Escape the facility? What? Yeah, I know that game, but I actually never played it. Like, what? What is this? Um, oh, run! I just gotta jump here. Oh, someone press the green button. I think that opens this. Wait, that was easy. That was the easiest round ever. Come on, Bacon! Are you bad at jumping? Just jump. Jump. Did we die? Oh, did you? Oh, are you? Are you serious? You're so. I wonder why you're new because you're not even. Oh my gosh, you're so annoying. Okay, how do I get up this? Okay. What? What? That's not fair. Wait, that's not fair. What? Wait, that's not fair though. Wait, that's not fair. That is not fair. That was not fair. That was not fair. That wasn't easy. That was impossible. Game is ready. Can we just go in? This is game is ready. Hoop and exit lift. Long beginning. Going lift. Okay. Go in hard. Go in hard. I love how it doesn't show the text, but it just shows it right to you. That's annoying. Oh, information. Yes. Okay. Why there's so many people going in medium? Lowering lift, lowering rift. Exit the facility. Okay. Open this. Open this. First, open this. Yep. Hey, you yeeted me! You yeeted me! Go! Oh my gosh! Oh, look at the floor. Okay, just go, just go, just go. I got it, I got it, I got it. Okay, yeah, press that button. Oh my gosh, the water's so close. And I realized I died from. Yes! Oh my gosh! Wait, what? Why am I the only one left? Like, what? Huh? Like, what? Okay, I guess I have to do this on mail. And that's annoying because I can't really. Yep. Oh my gosh. One thing that was even possible. And two, that no one was there. They were so newbie. Your window was the other way up. Okay. Go. I'll get this one. Oh my god. Are you serious? Oh, I can go up here. Okay. No, someone has to go up there and like sacrifice themselves something. Someone has to go up there and sacrifice themselves for something. Oh my gosh, how are we ever gonna make it though? No, dang it. No, we can't make it. Dang it. We're gonna die. Yeah, yep. We're gonna die. That was actually not possible. Oh, why is everyone not going in hard? Like hard is you. You know everyone's gonna Yep. Okay. Round beginning. Oh whoa. No. What? No one. Oh, so no. Oh my God! Body's here. No, wait. Can I go with body? I'm gonna go with body. I'm gonna go with body. Yeah. Escape the facility. Okay, yeah, actually really good. Oh my gosh, how do I? Okay, I'm gonna go this way then. Wait, actually, how hard is it? Like, it's just a thing. Hup, hup. Uh, okay, jump, and did someone get it? Or someone? Okay, I think I got it. I got it. Oh, I got it. I got it. No, I did. I don't got it. I don't got it. I don't got it. One out of 6 players left. What? Why is everything so? Oh my gosh! I'm not even click. Oh my! What? They're not even. Oh, so oh, go, just go in there. Okay. I see. Just go. Yes, just go. It's not full yet. Escape the facility. I died on the. I think I did. I die on this one. I don't think I did. Okay, and I think I know how to do this one now. I think I know how to do this now. Oh yes! Yes! Oh my gosh! Let's go. Oh my god! One fell. Oh, they can't make it. Dang it! They just have to swim. Bye. No, just go. Just go. Just go. Just go. Okay. Oh my. Okay. Anyways. Okay. I think I'll go up here. Okay. Then I'll go here. I can barely. It's blended in, so it's hard to see. Okay, I'll go here. That's my job. That's my job. Hey, that's my job. Okay, fine. That's your job. Okay. I mean, what? I was in the ladder. I missed it. Okay. Point to. Well, escape. Yes. Game match and then. Okay. Full. Okay. Okay. It's a. Oh, it's water. It's water. It's water coming. Okay, yes, I wanted Okay, go, and I can make it. Hooray! Oh, in game. This one I. We lost 3 players. Are you serious? Go. Oh yes. Go. Go. Okay. 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 I missed that. Okay. Oh, what? I can't go that way. Oh, I have to go this way. Okay. What is this? Okay. It's one of those like puzzle thingies. Shift lock. No wait. No, oh my gosh, I am so dead. Oh. Okay. Okay, we good. Right? Wait, where's the X? Oh, the X is right there. Yes. Yeah. Wait, we have to jump. Oh, okay. We have to code the code. I'm just gonna spam. Yeah. Oh. Oh yes. Wait. Yes, we escaped. Oh my gosh. That was so good, Obby. Bye.